Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Siri Scribe. We are back at Viva Dash Hotel in Bali. We stayed here a few years ago and truly enjoyed its location near the beach, which makes it very convenient if you enjoy coastal walks and easy beach access. Please note that this is not a promotional video, but I am simply sharing my personal experience staying at Viva Dash Hotel in Bali. Starting with the hotel exterior, the property has a modern and vibrant look. As you step inside, the lobby immediately feels lively with its colorful artwork and creative design elements. The poolside area complements this atmosphere well, offering a relaxed space to sit back and unwind. Overall, the hotel feels contemporary, cheerful, and thoughtfully designed. This particular unit is the Dash 2-bedroom apartment designed for up to 4 guests and spread across a generous 96 square meters. It features a double bed and twin beds along with a large living and dining area and a kitchenette. The space feels more like a serviced apartment than a typical hotel room, which adds to overall comfort. The living space is open, bright, and thoughtfully planned, making it comfortable for families to relax together. It seamlessly connects the lounge, dining area, and kitchenette, giving the apartment a spacious, home-like feel rather than a typical hotel setup. The design is modern and vibrant with creative artwork and a balanced use of color that adds character without feeling overwhelming. Overall, the space feels practical, stylish, and well-suited for both short and extended stays. The guest bedroom comes with 2 comfortable single beds, making it ideal for children or additional guests. The room is spacious and well laid out, allowing enough room to move around comfortably. It includes a TV for added convenience and an open cabinet design that makes it easy to organize clothes and keep luggage accessible. One bathroom is a common bathroom accessible from the living room, which is practical for daily use and for guests staying in second bedroom. It is clean, well maintained, and thoughtfully laid out. The second bathroom is attached to the master bedroom and feels much more spacious and luxurious. It adds a sense of privacy and comfort, especially for longer stays. The apartment style layout is one of the biggest highlights. The open living area includes a comfortable lounge space, a dining area, and a compact kitchenette, all flowing seamlessly together. This layout works especially well for families as it offers enough room for everyone to move around comfortably and spend time together. The unit includes a separate bedroom with 2 single beds, making it ideal for children or additional guests. A family of 2 adults and 2 kids can easily stay here without feeling cramped. The apartment comes with all necessary amenities, and one of the most convenient features is that it includes 2 bathrooms, which makes a big difference when traveling as a family. The master bedroom feels spacious, calm, and thoughtfully designed for comfort. The bed is large and very comfortable, making it easy to relax after a long day of exploring. There is a TV positioned conveniently, allowing you to unwind in the room without feeling confined. The overall layout feels uncluttered and well balanced, creating a peaceful atmosphere. One of the standout features of the master bedroom is the attached bathroom, which has a luxurious and well-planned arrangement. The space feels generous with quality fittings and clean, modern design that adds to the comfort of our stay. The walk-in wardrobe area is another highlight, offering ample space to organize our clothes and our luggage neatly. The bathroom is spacious, tidy, and well designed, in an apartment style accommodation rather than a standard hotel room. Overall, our stay at Viva Dash Hotel was comfortable and well suited for families, especially because of the spacious layout, thoughtful design, and the convenience of having 2 bathrooms. If you are looking for a relaxed, family-friendly stay near the Seminyak area and the beach in Bali, this hotel is definitely worth considering. I'll be sharing the hotel's website link under this video's description for anyone who would like to explore more details. Breakfast at their restaurant and bar. It is located on the ground level of the hotel and it is a pleasant way to start our day. Served from early morning, the breakfast spreads over a good mix of Western, Asian and local Balinese flavors, giving you plenty of choice whether you prefer something light or a more filling meal. The setting is relaxed yet lively with a welcoming atmosphere that reflects the overall vibe of the hotel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay curious and keep learning.